Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Massac County, Illinois, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 5:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paducah, Metropolis, Lone Oak, Reedland, Brookport, West Paducah, Barkley Regional Airport, and Joppa. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Massac,